Federation of Civil Society, Fox Manipur Amadi, Loop Asiga Chetminariba Loop Tarana Kudiak Piba, Point Tarakataru Yauba Memorandum among us, BG Rotan Liba Congress Baban the Pisin Cray. Memorandum Adu Maru Aina, House the Pangtu Liba Parliament before Asida Manipurgi MP Anina, Manipurgi Matang the Tongan Wafum Kaya Pukatna Pishin Kibane. Hiram Asiga Mari Lainana MPCC Working President Deborah Fondorakpada, Memorandum Asida Paliba Wafum Sing Ase India Constitution Manung the Pangto Yabagi Mong the Way. Hiram Ase Congress ki Political Affairs to Suputokane, Loinana Athubada MPCC ki President Amusung MP Anidaso, copy Asitharakane, Manipurgi Miyamna Party Asida Tazabat Hamduna Pirakiba Masai Hak Adu Naraga, Manipurgi Isu Ayamba, Mifam Asigi Ahan Session the Putokane, Congress ki Parliamentary Affairs Committee Naso, Manipurgi MP Anida Wang Nabamatampini High Clay, Yingsing by Yabati, INC ki Maikadigi, Manipurgi Isu Asigi Matang the Justice Pigani Haiduna, Rahul Gandhi Masa Manipura Anira Lakrabane. Amaronda Memorandum Asidi Yauriba demand sing ase, Tha Ama Anigi Manung the Tauba Yatrabaso, Matam Matam Matung Ina, Miyam Amadi CSO Sing Pulaga Tabuk Paikatani Haina, Mana Makatake.
Civil Society Organization Tarana sign Tauba, Akogi CSA Panjare, Ayam Bayor Bissing Si, Barki Sangidan Manunda, Pangtok Bayaba, Tawaya Bangatano, we Congress ki Political Affairs Committee the Soup Potokani, Potokani Mamanga, was it press conference story by Pena Panjar Matung Pungamagi, Manunchi Derquay, Opi Adum Tagargani, MPC, the direct Tagani, Congress ki lesser party leader, Congress President, Aduga MLA Punamak, party ki Chukchu functionary Punamak, Tazagani. I am Manipur da Wadi Basing Sigi Maramda, Masakai ba Memorandum Amane, representation Amane, Congress Party na Congress Party ki opposition party on Laiba Parlamenta, Sequoia Hak Assi Siznaraga, Manipur ki issue Ayamba, Ahamba, Session Nasida, Equoia Kagriba, MP Nida, Wangam chance, Pigani, and Congress ke Parliamentary Affairs Committee na Yakre.